Hey y'all, ProCell Fox here. Today, I have something that I might be the first to have, and it's this. A USI AMI3051S. I guess it's at my local store. So I'm gonna open it up. Anyways. So I don't know why they couldn't have been like cut out and put it in like a box. Got it out. Alright, I got it. So we have the manual. Please see manual. The alarm, the bracket, and the mounting hardware. Ooh, blue anchors. Those look like... So I have to take them off the plate. There we go. That's better. So I'm gonna activate it. That was the longest I've ever heard from a smoke detector. Anyways, test it. Alright. Hope you all like... So anyways. This uses Duracell batteries, if you were wondering. If y'all are wondering, this uses Duracell batteries. Not lithium batteries. They're in here. So... Oh, that's interesting. It's kind of like the SMI100AC I have. Instead of using a photoelectric sensor, it uses an ionization sensor. There we go. There. So, hope y'all like this quick video. I will see y'all. Bye. Actually, let's do one more test. Alright, hope y'all like this video. Bye.